go. A few moments later. Wake up, it's morning, kids. This is Aya. Oh, it's morning. Zoo. Oh, Dad, I was thinking about sexy candy. Woo, da, heck. Alright, let's go. I'm going to warn you. This will be our mom. I don't care. Hi guys, today I will mom. Bro, we just have to ignore it. Oh, so Ray. That belongs here. Please. Our day. I will be a new mom. Mom. Oh, Mom. We're being a new mom. Okay, here we go. Now we have a new mom. Yeah. Bro, there is a perfect storm coming. Oh! Ouch! Ew. Wait, I had to restart my game again. blow, blow. Oh, great. Blow is on the line. Now, let's go. Now, what happened now? Now. Honey, babe. Chloe didn't even kiss yet. Why would you still pod do to your kids? I punished them. Stop doing that for free. P.S. No, I don't. Do it or I'm gonna throw you the slipper. Okay. Yeah. Port 4 is where the lightning strikes back. Let me tell you a story. Okay. So, little Ava and Jasmine went to get ice cream for their mom. But they didn't realize the ice cream was allergic to them. Well, Pumpkin, let me tell you a story. What is it? About a mom who died. So blah blah blah. So they gave it to their mom. Their mom died. And the girl and young Ava said, "Hey, why do you give ice cream to my mom? She's allergic." And the other girl says, "I don't care, and I will see her more." And then the girl walked back off. And the turning said, "Oh no, what have I done?" Like they were, part 4 is where the lightning strikes back between Peopleville and the Fruit Republic. So bye!